Exploring the caverns of the lost souls. And I found a piece of sweet lumber. Oh, this is a sweet exit. And I think we lost Jacob to the Blair Witch because his motherfucker's gone. Yeah. Let's see if we find him. He's probably chopping something with his K-bar. Oh, there he is. I found him. She didn't suck him up. Yeah. This is cool, dude. Yeah, go kill the crow in the water. I can't hear it no more. That's pretty sweet over here too, dude. You know? That rock just chilling up there. Dude, check out this rock over here. Did you come over here? Oh. If that rock would fall, I'd be done. Yup. There's a cave back there. Hey, dude, check it out. There's a cave over here. Oh. Fellas. Hey, guys. Guys. Let's see a squirrel. Die, acorn smuggler. Guess I will explore this cave alone. Like I was intended to. Oh, that tree is just in there. This is pretty sweet. Oh. Dude, y'all don't want to see this cave over here? Fuck y'all then. This is where the Sasquatch takes his naps. Son of a bitch. Go through there like that, yeah. Excuse the sneeze. Here we are about to discover 2 woodland fairies coming around. Oh, there's the first woodland fairy and his mate. Long short stick. Right here, bro. Right here. Look at that. Down in there. Jay, I'm gonna videotape your massacre by that bear, like when you go in there. Take your K-bar out, bro. K-bar it.
Cougar in that motherfucker.
Like cougar meaning animal or 50-year-old woman?
Something's in there.
Yeah.
Something is in there.
Boop, 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 boop. His pants are jacked up his ass. Yeah. Can you see something in there?
I didn't even bring my flashlight.
Oh, I got one. Here, you need a flashlight?
No, I'm just saying that.
No, Jacob, since he's up there.
More rock.
Yeah, flashlight, you can't even see anything anyways.
Hey.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet down there. Look at that, dude. You can just chill in there.
Heard that snap?
I heard the snap. It ain't Kydex unless you hear the snap. What are you doing over there? You gonna chill in there?
Climb up there.
This guy is dangerous, but I like it. Look at those glutes at work. And he made it. He is good.